now we are going to talk about herbal juices. These are raw juices and taken in the morning on an empty stomach. These are the most alkaline juice which should be taken without anything in the first thing in the morning. In your empty stomach, that you can take this to solve many of your digestive and other sorts of problems. Now today we are going to see the Ashgourd juice. How to make Ashgourd juice? So for Ashgourd juice you would need 100 grams of Ashgourd for one person, and then in that you will mix approximately 100 ml of water. Now this Ashgourd juice is a very alkaline juice and very good for digestive system, and it helps in acute stomach pains also sometimes. But in natural health science we do not compartmentalize such divisions in terms of this is good for this problem or that's good for that problem. But this juice is something which gives you a lot of alkalinity in the body, so it's very good for you. So let us now see how that we can make it. First we are going to put the Ashgourd into the jar, and then we'll put the water. We'll put little water so that once it is mixed totally, once it is churned properly, then you can add little bit more of water, and then afterwards that you have to strain the juice out of it and then only drink it. Again, the rule is that you have to drink sip by sip, slowly, as slow as you can. This juice, if taken very slowly, is very good for your health. So now we are going to blend Ashgourd with water in the mixie jar, and then we'll make a pulp out of it, and then we'll again add some water, and then we'll make the juice out of that. So now we are ready with the juice. So it's blended totally. So this is the juice that we have made it. Now we have to strain the juice out of the pulp. So we are not going to use the pulp right now. So this is how we are going to strain it with a strainer, and we are going to just keep moving the spoon so that all the juice comes out of this pulp. Now this pulp you can use it as a herbal pack. You can keep it on your eyes or face. So this is very good for your so many ailments that you want to address, maybe skin problems, or maybe for eye cooling, anything. So now this Ashgourd juice is ready. Apart from Ashgourd, there are many other herbs that can be used. So one of the herb is Durva grass. So it is the grass which is used for puja in the temple. Like for Lord Ganesha it is used. So you can take handful of grass for one person, and you can just wash it very thoroughly with cool water or normal water, and then you can add 3 times more water. First you grind it and make it a paste, and then add 3 times more water in this Durva grass juice. This Durva grass juice is very good because it contains calcium, and it promotes, it's for many mothers who are lactating, and if they take this kind of a juice, so it enhances their milk also. So this is very good for them and also for everyone. Now another juice is banana pit juice or banana stem juice. In this juice, what you can do, you can cut 3-4 inches of banana stem and in length for one person, and then you can just peel the outer skin, and then you can grind it just like the Ashgourd and put 2 times more water in that, because it has a strong taste. So we are adding more water in this juice, and then you can blend it properly and then strain it off, and then you can have it. Now this banana pit juice is very useful for people who are having any stones in gallbladder or kidney or prostate. So for such people this juice is very much beneficial. And if some person has or such patients who have any pain in their stomach or abdomen or any of the organs which I just now mentioned, so they can just put a little bit of neem juice in that, and then that can relieve their pain instantly. So they can take it on regular basis, and this is highly beneficial for them, and for people who are not having any problem also can take it because it's very good. Now another kind of herbal juice that you can take in the morning is coconut water. Now this is a divine water. It has all the ingredients which are needed by the body. It is highly digestible, and it contains all the electrolytes which are needed by the body. For example, it contains sodium, phosphorus and potassium. So if somebody's blood is not there, some people come to hospitals or somewhere, they say I need blood. So coconut has that capacity or that potential to create blood, the kind of blood your body needs. It can create that blood also in your body if you continuously take this coconut water. So it is good for your digestive system, and it is like a medicine, for any inflammation in your body. So for patients, who are in the chronic conditions, we advise them to take coconut water for few days so that their system gets adjusted to it, and then slowly and gradually their system gets cleaned up totally from all the problems and ailments whatsoever. And so these are few of the herbal juices that we have mentioned. This is mainly the alkaline juices, and it helps in neutralizing the hyperacidity in the body. So I'm sure you're going to try all these herbal juices and feel the difference, and feel your body becoming more lighter and energetic for the day.